machine. I'm gonna knock over the styrofoam cup and it's gonna let go of the marbles. The marbles will go down into this tunnel, down the ramp, down this tunnel, and down into the basket. The basket will pull down using the pulley contraption. It's gonna pull this piece of plastic out, letting go of the baseball, pushing the switch, turning on the pickle over here, and then turning on the fan. The fan is gonna rotate the screw contraption. It'll rotate it, and it's gonna pull this baseball onto the lever, and the lever is gonna push the button to turn on the movie.